world where we move. Hyva is moving forward. Forward with highly efficient transport solutions for infrastructure, construction, mining, and environmental industries, tipping systems, lifting and loading, container handling, waste management. Manufactured and tested to the highest quality standards in our 12 manufacturing plants worldwide. We revolutionized hydraulic power, becoming the global market leader in front-end cylinders with over 3,000 dedicated people. We offer a global service network close to our customers. We build relationships across cultures with state-of-the-art technologies, always innovating. Embracing the new. Together. Hyva, we move your world.